Hey, YouTube creators, ever wondered how those faceless avatars are taking over social media by storm? Well, get ready to dive into the heart of the AI content revolution because today we're unveiling the secrets to creating talking avatars that'll have TikTok and YouTube throwing bags of cash your way. Picture this, you upload a video, sit back and watch as the views skyrocket. Have a look at this TikTok channel. It gets 2 to 40 million views per video. With an RPM of 60 cents to $1.20, this creator is making over $50,000 a month. You can see this historical YouTube channel going viral. They are making $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Now let's get to the tutorial. Firstly, you will need to make a script. We recommend using ChatGPT. If you're a beginner, you can find a video that has already gone viral, transcribe it using tactic.io, then ask ChatGPT to change it and make it more interesting. Once you have the script, we need a voiceover. Jump into 11 Labs. Choose a voice that you like. You can even clone any celebrity's voice, but this feature isn't free. Once you have found a voice you like, select it, paste the script, and click Generate.
Step into the enigmatic world of Nostradamus.
Now that we have a voiceover, we need to make the talking avatar. You will need to go to an image generation AI software like Midjourney or Leonardo.ai. We will be using Leonardo. We will be creating an image of Nostradamus, the famous mystic. Ask ChatGPT to make a prompt for Leonardo.ai for Nostradamus, as it will work great with our script. Once you are happy with the image, click Download. Now for the fun part, we will be turning this image into a talking living avatar. Let's bring Nostradamus back to life. Go on did.com, create an account. Now click Studio and press Create. Select Video. Now you can choose a presenter, but we will be uploading our picture of Nostradamus. Click Audio and drag over the voiceover we made. Click Generate Video. And within minutes, our talking avatar is born. How insane is this?
Step into the enigmatic world of Nostradamus, the revered 16th century astrologer whose prophetic visions have shaken the sands of time. In his latest forecast for 2024,
now to really make this viral, we need to edit it all together. We recommend CapCut, especially for beginners as it's very easy. Firstly, download CapCut. It's completely free. Now drag your files over. We will be adding our avatar and the full script. Now, cut the audio with the blade where the avatar stops and mute the beginning. Next, change the aspect ratio. As this will be a YouTube short and TikTok, we will be using 9:16. Now just resize the avatar to fit the video frame by dragging a corner across like this. Next, go back to Leonardo.ai. We will need some more images and videos to keep the audience engaged. Now, download them. Next, import all your new AI images and video into CapCut. Then, drag them over to the places you want the images to be located. We will have one overlay video, and the rest will go after the talking avatar. Now, resize the images and video you imported so they fit the video frame. If you want the video to be shorter, just change the speed like this. Go back to Leonardo and make more images and videos that will fit the voiceover. Look how cool this wizard looks. You want a new image or video every 2 to 5 seconds. Don't leave the avatar to talk for too long without changing a frame, as the viewer will lose interest. Once you have your new images, add them onto CapCut as we did earlier. Now overlay the images and video generated by Leonardo to the scenes in the video where they fit. We will be placing the wizard where the voiceover mentions sand, as that's the setting of the video. Keep it as relevant as possible while keeping it interesting. Next, we will be adding a transition. To do this, select transition from the tool at the top here. Next, select a transition that you like or fits the scene well. Once you have found one, drag it over and drop it in between the two scenes. Let's have a look at how the first 10 seconds are looking so far. After every 5 to 10 seconds, re-watch it to make any adjustment before you move forward. Continue to add videos and images that fit the script. Here we have added a church from CapCut stock images. Keep doing this for the remainder of the video. Add transitions in between every new image and video added. Do this for the remainder of the voiceover. The end result should look something like this.
Step into the enigmatic world of Nostradamus, the revered 16th century astrologer whose prophetic visions have shaken the sands of time. In his latest forecast for 2024, brace yourself for a riveting ride through the veils of destiny. From the looming shadows of a seismic shift within the Catholic Church to the relentless fury of Mother Nature herself, each prediction unfolds like chapters in a gripping saga. Behold as Nostradamus unveils the specter of a frail pope teetering on the edge of mortality, while the earth writhes under the weight of climatic chaos, leaving parched lands drowning in deluges. And amidst the tempest, a political tempest brews in the hallowed halls of the United Kingdom, where whispers of dethronement and the drums of war echo through the corridors of power. Will King Charles III hold firm against the tides of fate, or will the kingdom be plunged into the abyss of uncertainty? Join us as we delve deep